Don't take a chance to misplace your implants. Is your job. Make your pilot holes freehand, but accurately and securely with MD Guide. The intro kit contains 5 drills. The diameter of each drill matches the size of the missing tooth. For example, you will use a 7.5 mm drill for a lower premolar or a 10.5 mm drill for a molar. Place the guide against the adjacent tooth. Make the guide and the adjacent tooth parallel. The drill is automatically aligned and centered on the future crown. In order to place several implants, the MD Guide Intro Kit features 5 non-drilling guides. Those pieces will simulate the presence of the future crown when you place them in the pilot holes. Insert a non-drilling guide that has the same diameter as the drilling guide you've used to create your pilot hole and use it now as if it was a real tooth. Repeat the operation as many times as needed. Now, all you have to do is to use your current drill to enlarge the holes. With MD Guide, you don't have to change anything to your current process. You don't need any surgical guide, and you work more accurately and more securely.